Okay, so it's time I talk about crypto. So I'm asked all the time, Aaron, do you invest in crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum? What are you involved in? Why? And should I get involved? Well, look, I'm no expert and there's no financial advice here. So all I'm going to share with you is, yes, I invest into crypto, and that is through Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. And why? Because I believe it will be a part of the future. Is it an investment or is it a storage of wealth? That's a good question. I believe a bit of both, because one, you can see a return of crypto and the coins and stuff like that, but also it is a storage of wealth. So I think there are going to be a lot of financial changes. I think it's good to understand diversification and the spread. But one thing you must remember with crypto, it's so speculative. It can be manipulated, it can be up, it can be down. So you need to understand that. Don't get caught up in this whole FOMO of fear of missing out of being a multi-millionaire. Because look, let me tell you now, you're not going to be a millionaire overnight. If you'd invested 10 years ago, you were lucky, timing was right, you put enough into it, great, you've probably done very well. But let's remember, you're still got to take off tax, everything like that. There's a lot of implications. That's the reality. Sorry to burst that bubble, but it's the truth. However, if you're looking at this from a point of view of short, medium and long term, brilliant. Have exposure. There's going to be changes within the bank. You'll probably be able to use Bitcoin on your phone, pay for things, coffee. There's ATMs that you can withdraw money from. It's all very under the radar, decentralized, which is brilliant because it gives a bit of power back to the people, which is what I like, but I am involved for the long term. So my message to you around crypto is think, invest wisely, do your research, and before you start parting with your money, really let go of this millionaire lifestyle. Just because you see someone on social media post that they invested however much and they earn however much, look, if the chart goes up and it goes down, it makes no odds, because you should be in it for the long term, just like any investment. Be smart, stop rushing into things and ignore what people are doing. One thing I will finish on is never copy what someone's trying to do, because I can promise you, if you invest into something not really knowing what you're doing and you're investing because someone else is doing it and it looks great, and look, if a chart goes up, it means diddly squat unless you're taking profits from it. I'm only interested in cash flow, and once I cash flow, then I'll invest into other things. So yes, crypto I do believe will be a part of the future. It's very speculative, it can be manipulated. Is it asset backed? Well, technically no. So look, get involved, do your research. There's no financial advice here. I'm no expert, but I know what I'm doing, I know why I'm doing it, and that's the key here. So those are my thoughts on crypto, and I'll speak to all of you very soon.